Hey, so if you've been studying for the IELTS for a while, if you've been reading up on IELTS materials, you probably already know that the IELTS writing is the area where students tend to get the lowest grade. But what you probably didn't know is that the main reason for that is that students don't have good IELTS writing structure. Let me explain. So when you take the IELTS writing test, there are four areas that you're going to be graded on. Now, one of them is all about your vocabulary, one of them is all about your grammar, but the other two are very closely related to structure, and they're mostly made up of structure. Now, the problem most students face is that they work really, really hard on grammar and they work really, really hard on vocabulary, and then they go and take the test and they end up being really, really surprised because they don't realize that it's the structure that's letting them down. And so if you've taken the IELTS test and you've been kind of surprised by how low your score was, the reason for that is probably that your structure wasn't as good as it needs to be. I've been teaching IELTS for years and years and years, and this is something I see over and over again, and I find it really frustrating because I feel bad for the students, especially when they take the test 3, 4, or even 5 times before getting help, because it's really easy to spend hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of dollars on taking this test over and over again, and students just get frustrated because they don't know why they're not getting the score they need to. So that's why we put together this 7-day IELTS course, and it's all about structure. And so by the end of the week, you should have a really, really strong IELTS structure. So I would encourage you to take a look down below, check out this course and see what you think. If you take the course and you find it doesn't make any difference to you, we'll offer a complete money back guarantee. So check it out down below. It's completely risk-free.